Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create and set up Telegram wallet. So in order to do this, you first have to click on the link that I have given you in the description box and it will land you on this page. Now over here, you just have to tap on the start button, and after that you will be able to see this type of post in front of you, which will say that wallet in Telegram made for crypto, easy to buy Bitcoin, Toncoin and USDT. You can send to a friend around the world for free, and it is convenient to use from the Telegram menu. So over here, in order to create your Telegram wallet, you need to tap on the open wallet button. After that, it will show you the pop-up of term of use. So you just have to check this box first, and then you just have to press the continue button. After that, you are going to see various options at the bottom like gallery, wallet, file, location, etc. So you just have to make sure that it is set on wallet, and then you just have to tap on the let's go button. Now once you do this, you will be shown that your wallet is created successfully. But once you have created your wallet, the second thing that you need to do is to secure your Telegram wallet. So in order to do this, you just have to tap on this gear icon in the top left hand corner. Here in the top, you are going to see the option of show tone space beta. Right next to it, you are going to see a toggle button. So you just have to turn this toggle button on, and then you just have to come back on the home page, and now on the home page you are going to see tone space beta. So you just have to tap on the start exploring button, and then it will show you that you can start exploring tone, or you can even add any existing wallet if you want to. So over here, you just have to tap on the start button or start exploring tone button. Now once you do this, you will be landed on the next page where it will ask you to add your recovery email, and then you will be able to recover your Telegram wallet. So in this section, you just have to provide your email address, and then you need to press continue. Now once you have successfully added your email address, you will be shown the pop-up that says that you have successfully backupped your wallet. So after that, you are going to see your Tone wallet that will look something like this. Now in order to add extra layer of security to your Telegram wallet, you need to tap on this gear icon in the top left hand corner again, and now you are going to see the option of passcode, and right next to it you are going to see the option of setup. So you just have to tap on the setup option, and then you just have to tap on the option of enable passcode. Now once you do this, you are going to see your 24-digit passcode in front of you, which you need to copy and you need to keep it somewhere safe. That passcode will be useful whenever you want to recover your Telegram wallet. So you need to make sure that the passcode is saved successfully. After that, you just have to come back to the settings again, and the third option that you will be able to see is of identification level. So if you tap on this option, you can see the identification level, whether you have unlocked the features with the enhanced verifications or not. So you can tap on the get this level option, and on the next page you just have to follow further on screen instructions in order to verify your identification level. So these are some of the steps that you need to take immediately when you create and set up your Telegram wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.